classes with NSPL, and I hold 3 world records and 3 state records.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Is that a 8-inch port?
Yes.
Who built this?
My husband.
Okay.
I painted it, stickered it, sealed it. 2 resilient, 15 platinums on an 8K.
All right. There we go. What size is this lithium? What size?
We're not 100% sure.
Okay.
I would say a guesstimate of 45.
Okay.
But I'm not for sure.
Probably a 39 or something. Okay.
Was 8 packs a day? Or what about these?
So 32 to 38 maybe.
You got 8 packs, the same thing as mine.
Yeah.
The blue battery.
Okay. So your name is Dolly?
My name is April.
April, sorry. So the box has Dolly on it. Okay.
It's dedicated for Dolly Parton.
Okay, got it. Yes, ma'am. SFB 8000. What are those subs rated for? RMS? Can't remember.
That, I'm not sure. We have
The
that.
gold or the platinum?
They are the platinums.
Okay, so 1500. Yep. All right. Nice. Looks good. Have you done any SPL on it?
I am in the beginner classes with NSPL, and I hold 3 world records and 3 state records.
Wow. Okay. And do you know frequency you're peaking at for the SPL?
39 to 43 range.
Okay.
It varies.
So that's what that high was. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. And you can have your back seats up when needed, but it's a little louder with them down, probably.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Plus, you can see well, you can't see my battery box, but my battery box actually says Jolene, Jolene, Jolene.
Okay.
You can have my man, but don't meet me in the lanes.
Don't. That's a good one. Okay. Nice. What was the SPL score out of it?
I got a 166.1 in the port. My record right now is a 168.4. Then in the kick, my record is a 152.4, I believe, and I just ran a 152.1. And then on the blast today, I ran a 149, but it's kind of hot, so.
Yeah.
But my record in that is a 150.7, I do believe.
150 all around. That's really good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
My first competition, I was a 150 right out the door.
Wow. That's wild. Most people start in the low to mid 40s.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Congrats.
I told him, I said, I want a 150 car, and that's what I got.
All right. Do you have any, is it stock alternator? Okay.
Storms are coming. I can feel it in my bones, but I ain't running. I've been running way too long. I'm sick and so damn tired. You can put out this fire.
You have another song for me?
I do.
Awesome. All right.
All right, you ready?
Yes, ma'am. expecting it to be that punchy at the top end. Yeah.
That's why I like that song, because it gives you a little bit of the music first before
You
it
get the
gets
lows and then
fast.
that punchy sound at the top. Yeah. So that was 25 and up pretty much.
Yep. I was
Awesome.
at 28 volume.
Okay. Woo. It plays the lows pretty good too.
It does, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a good day, April.
You
And congrats on the scores today.
Where do I
Nice.
find you on YouTube?
YouTube JacobViral.